are you doing? Today is on Monday, and I want to go and window shop for a fridge. There's a certain type of fridge that I want, and I've seen some more companies here in Kitengela, so I just want to go out and look for that certain fridge that I'm looking for. And before I go, let me just go to the rooftop and show you around and where I'll be going, if maybe I'll be able to see the place. So yeah, let's go to the rooftop and show you around how Kitengela is during the evenings. So yeah, and then from there we'll just catch up and go to the shops and look for that certain fridge. Guys, this is the view you can see around. So guys, this side you can see here, that's where most of the rich people stay. There are some on compounds over there, like this one here, and yeah, this is how it looks. Guys, you can now see the love I have for you guys. Yani, I can come all way up here and show you around. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Like, it really looks so nice and so good. I cannot complain at all. So yeah, let's head out and see what this market has to offer. Anyways, I don't buy such things, expensive things, because of so many reasons. So guys, as I told you, we're going to look for what is it called? We're going to window shop for a fridge and see if maybe we can get one. So before that, I just want to order for some sukuma wiki and for supper. And yeah, this is the place. Hey, so guys, we are heading there, and it's quite some distance. So yeah, let's go. Guys, this is now Kitengela, and Kitengela is in Kajiado, and it borders some southern part of Nairobi. Yeah, this is how it looks. Guys, this is an hospital, as you can see, and it's new. It's not yet. It's not yet. It's a Mission Care Hospital, and it's in Kitengela, one of the biggest hospitals. And so guys, if apart from that, if you have been watching my videos, I know you have seen this place, because this is where I got my bed, and they still have some good things. As you can see, like this one is very nice. And so this bed it is, wow, it looks so nice, guys. So guys, I'm supposed to use this is the main road over here. I'm supposed to use that road, but because it's quite far, let me just use this, and yeah, we'll be there. Let me just use this instead of that one. That one I use a lot of time to get there. So yeah. Yeah, so guys, we are continuing the journey. As I told you, it's quite far, and I don't want to keep you waiting. Yeah, there's this beautiful apartment here. It looks so nice. You have some more here. Yeah, so let's keep going. I hope you'll not get bored, guys. So guys, we're almost approaching the main road, and before that, something right here. And guys, this road you can see right here, all the way to that point, this way. It's Nairobi Namanga Highway. It leads to Tanzania, and the other one here is from Nairobi. Guys, as I've told you, that's Nairobi Namanga Highway, and it goes up to Tanzania border. Okay, you can use this way to go to Tanzania. So yes, that's how big Kitengela is, because you can use this road to Tanzania. Oh. And we are almost approaching where we are going. So guys, this is the mall where we are coming to. I think you can see over there. That's the mall where we are going to window shop some things. So yeah, let's go there and see. Guys, this is where we are coming to, and yeah, let's go and see if we will find whatever we want over here. This is the biggest mall we have in Kitengela, because I don't think there is any other. So yeah, let's get in and see. And so guys, we are in, and this is how it is. You see, this is now the Kitengela Mall you all hear about. So yeah, let's get in and see whether we will get whatever we're looking for in here. And guys, what I want to see, it's here. You can see it's okay. Let me just show you when I'm in. This is Mika, and yeah, this is where I want to check my fridge, if maybe they have mini fridges. And this is the showroom. So let's just get in and see if maybe we'll get what we are looking for. Guys, I'm here and I am looking for a mini fridge, and one of which it's here. This one is 25,400, and they are on offer, guys. You see, it's amazing offer. They are on offer. I'm looking for something like this. So yeah, let's see if maybe we'll get any. This one is 42,000. Remember, it's on offer. Mm-hmm. Okay, I can't see the price for this, but also these. Oh my goodness, I would want something like this, but yo, 42,000. It's on offer. Kenyan shillings. No, it was 42,000. Right now it's 38,000. Oh my goodness, I want something like that. This one is 41,000. This one is 39,000. And the other one over here is 21,000. Okay, let's just check something else in here and see. Um, on the cooker side, you see they have beautiful, beautiful things, guys, as you can see. So beautiful. Yeah, and remember, guys, this is the branch, one of the branches. Like, it's a showroom. Wow, they even have the heater, 4,000. Wow. They have heaters for 2,000. So kama baridi na kusumbua, guys, this is the place for you. We also have this one. And why is this so expensive? And it's just a mini, like, it's just a freezer. And it's expensive. It's 19,000. Oh my goodness. Wow. I've been looking for this and it's 2000. I'll get it some time. Yeah. Let's now go to Naivas and see if their prices differ with these. They have all these. These are dispensers over there, freezers, those ones over there, microwaves. Yeah, they have a lot of things, guys. They have washing machines. Oh my goodness, I'm saving up for these next now. This 42,000. That one over there. Wow, this is 17,000 actually. Cheap. With my nails, I can't be washing. So yeah. So guys, my phone shut down because of space. But yeah, we are in Naivas right now, and you can see the prices for something else. Oh my goodness, this one has a dispenser over here, and it's like a mirror. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, one day I'll be here. This one is 192,000. Hey, my goodness, it's not even giving me morale to check. Okay, let me go to the cheaper ones. I have my friend is helping me to check out. So yeah, this one is 67,000. Wow. Okay. We have these Hisense over here, and it's 67,000. Let me check the cheapest one. Maybe I can see a cheaper one. The cheapest one is this one, Ramptons, and it's 38,000. Wow, I would want that. 39,000. Okay, just compare with the other ones because these ones look like they are more. And you know, Ramptons is one of the best companies which provide fridge, microwave, and everything. Just go for Ramptons. This one is 37,000. The other one over there is 47,000. Then is 39. And yeah, let's check some other things out. Look at this, 130 and 39,000. Double door. We also have some washing machine over here. This one is 99,000. Wow, that's a washing machine. I'm coming for you, bitch. I'm coming for you next time. Let me check these ones out. The mini one. This one is 25,000. It's more cheaper than the other one. The other one over there is 26,000. Well, these ones are more cheaper, and they are more expensive, and I thought they'd be more cheaper. Mika here is 35,000. The other one over there is 41,000. 5-year warranty, and we also have. There are so many, guys. I can't just finish them up. Wow, this one is. It has a glass. You are kidding me. This one is 45,000. I don't know why. With 10-year warranty. Oh my goodness, it's just like a mirror. Anyways, I would love to have something like this in my home. But money, if I catch you, this one is 46,000. I love big fridges, but yo, I would love to get even the smaller one, like this size. Yeah, and I'll be okay.